This furniture set packing puzzle will take your packing skills from poor to amazing in seconds. If we start with this piece here, you can see this chair and the little stool fits perfectly in here. So if we take the other chair and one more stool and fit these pieces together, we just have one more space here left to fill, which is the perfect set for this piece here. Now that we're done with this piece, set this aside and figure out how to fit the rest of these pieces into the furniture set packing puzzle. This packing puzzle is rated at a level 7 out of 5 to 10 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale, and it is designed by the puzzle guy. If we start just fitting these two pieces into the tray, we can take this piece and put them together and put them in the top here. But now we have this piece left over that doesn't really want to line up with the other pieces. That is because you actually have to take this piece off of the chair and put this piece onto the chair. And then it fits a little bit better with extra space in here. Next, we got to fit a lot of stuff around this table in order to get it into the box here. You can see these two pieces are going to fit together and then we can fit them inside of here. Next to that, we will be able to fit this piece in here and slide it together. And now we just have to complete the rest of these pieces on the table. If we take one of these pieces, we can fit them onto the table like this. Then we can take the other bench and pack it in like this. Now we have 3 pieces left. We just have to take this coffee table and put the legs inside of the other table. Next, it looks like we should be able to take this laptop and place it on top of here, but it actually doesn't sit nicely in between the legs of the table and the bench. So we actually have to take these 2 benches off of here and put this laptop down first. Now that we have the laptop down, we can take this bench and go place it back on top of here. Then we can use the other bench and place it on top like this. Put the legs of the table back inside of this table and finally put this laptop on the table. And then we just need to insert it into here. But unfortunately, we can't get this piece into here because the leg of the bed is in the way. So we actually have to remove all of these pieces out of here first. Now we can take this piece and insert it in here. And finally, put the bed around the wardrobe and pack everything into the wardrobe. To get the furniture set puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.